And we have it at a lowered clearance price today. So, one more time, 4 big gift ideas in the show. Yeah! Can't wait. As a matter of fact, I have a big update on one of them coming up in just a little bit. Now, this right here is why I refer to Temp-tations all the time as being geniuses. This is called the Toothpick, Crudite, and Bowls. So here's an idea. Instead of going to get the toothpick container that you're just going to put back in the cupboard and who knows how many people touched it, and getting out a separate bowl for the chopped veggies and getting out a separate bowl for the dip, now they're all together in one dish that just so happens to be stoneware that's dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, freezer, and oven safe, and in our favorite patterns. Now that's the floral lace. We also have it available in the old world patterns. So we're gonna show you all the colors that we have in both, and we're gonna start with the old world. So the old world is available in blue. We have 250 there. We have 300 in confetti, 250 in green, 250 in gray, and I have 200 for you in taupe. Now in the floral lace, I have black, but I only have 200 left. I have 350 in blue. I have 200 in cranberry. I have 200 in gray, 225 in red, and 200 in the taupe. Now there is no reorder, but it's the first day that it's being presented live. Tricky. So we do have it on 3 easy payments of $8.25. Call sign Empire, are you back in range?
Shh, shh. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I have to tell you, please watch this back because when you do that, it makes the perfect audio. And speaking of perfect, it's entertaining and barbecue season. This is the perfect piece to bring us right now.
Yeah, and the reason there's no root order, because this is part of our summer essentials entertaining line. So we took 2 bowls and a toothpick holder and we put them all into one. So let's talk capacity. One side, here's 1 cup, here's 2 cups. So you have a 3-cup bowl capacity. And then you can put everything from dipping sauces to toothpicks to little forks to little skewers right in here. No problem at all. And here's some little tips. Really important in the summertime to keep cold food cold, your mayonnaise-based salads, your cheeses. Put this in the refrigerator or the freezer ahead of time, Mary. Get it really cold. Put your food in it. Put it outside without a worry that it's going to spoil. I have so many great ideas to show you of how you can use this, whether you're going to use it for hot or for cold. We use it for our great summer salads. So when you want to do things like, look what we did over here. We actually did a warm dip. So this is our pizza pepperoni dip. Over here, we did warm pita. And you see what we did? Instead of putting toothpicks in here, it's holding my spreader. So look how adorable that is. And then on the other side, completely different, we did our cold salads. So we did our watermelon over here, our feta over here, and then we have 75 toothpicks here in the back when we're talking capacity. Wow. So it's just perfect for summer entertaining.
Oh my gosh, my mom was here in May, and she used to make, it's so simple, but she used to make this when I was a little kid, and especially when we had people over. It's sour cream and I think demerara sugar, and she makes a fruit dip. But you have to leave it in the refrigerator to let it kind of thicken up after you mix it all together. And I want to put cut up pineapple on this side and my mom's homemade fruit dip on this side and the toothpicks in there, and call that lunchtime for one, because
yum,
that would be a fun way. If there's 2 of you, you could pick up 2 and really make it a barbecue for 2 or a party for 2. Mr. D and I believe in celebrating every single day. And it's little things like this that make it possible to be able to do it. Now, this is the first time we're presenting it live on the air, and there's already a no reorder situation on it. So I love the fact that you're really getting a collector's piece today. Let's talk about your patterns and colors that you have available. Now, the one that I'm holding is floral lace, but we're gonna start with the old world. And the old world confetti is what I have on the table with me. We do have it available in other color choices in this pattern. So here's the blue. We do have them in the green. We've got gray. We have taupe. And then here is the floral lace in the red, black, blue, cranberry, gray, and taupe. Now, it is a situation that you are picking. If you pick up more than one today, you get your first color choice. I would not wait past today, though, and I would not leave them in your cart because, Lisa, as we know, Empire, as we know, when it comes to when it comes to picking up your Temp-tations that are already on a no reorder status, you want to pick up more than one while they're here, because if we see a seasonal pattern, it won't be until next year, but these we may not see again at all.
That's exactly right. And when we talk about summer entertaining inside, outside, you can still put this through the paces. So it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees, the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the dishwasher. Perfect, like you said, Mary, if it's just you and your spouse, your significant other. Chips and dip. You can do like, I love doing like s'mores in here, bringing it outside. Put sushi in here. Over here, I have a tomato and mozz salad. Look at that. And you can even do things like fondue and dip. Anything you need to dip is just perfect in here. You're going to get this home and you're going to find so many uses for it. And remember, you're taking a 3-cup bowl capacity, a toothpick holder, you're putting it all into one piece.
And I just wanted to show, if you do get more than one, they do stack up beautifully. So please feel free to pick up more than one today. They're about 12 inches wide, just to give you that full width on them, about 6 inches from top to bottom, and about 2.5 inches in depth there, so you get a nice server. Lisa, thank you. I will see you again in just a little bit, okay?
Yes, I will see you soon, okay?
Empire signing out. We'll see you back in range in just a little bit. Thank you so much.
T5, 4.
All right, fly safe out there. 3 easy payments of $8 and